Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'm going to install a free plugin to create a slider in any WordPress website. This plugin has free as well as the premium version. However, in this video, I'm going to use only the free version of this plugin and I'll show you how you can create a professional slider using the free plugin. Let me show you two different sliders that I have created using this free plugin. I have used pre-designed template to create this slider. So there are many pre-designed templates that you can use in the free version also, and you can customize these templates to create your own slider. So instead of creating a slider from the scratch, you can use the pre-designed templates. The templates are fully responsive. It will work on desktop, tablets as well as the mobile devices. So this is the first slider. This is one of the slider for the Christmas shop. This is the first slide. If I click on it, it will go to one of the products. And these are the navigations. I have changed the background image. So instead of background color, I have used one of the background images. You will see some content is there. You can change the images, you can change the content. And this is the next slide. So as I said, I have used the pre-designed template and I have made some changes. So this is the first slider and this is the second slider. In this slider, I have used some YouTube videos on the slides. You will see read more. It will go to the blog post or the shop page. These are the images. You can change the image and this is a YouTube video. So it will play. You can change the settings so that it will play automatically. Once it is finished, it will go to the next slide. Let's go to next slide. This is the next slide. On this slide also we have images and YouTube video. And this is the third slide. So these templates are fully customizable and responsive for all the devices. The name of the plugin is Depicter and this plugin is available for free. So I'll show you how to install the free version. So this is the website of this plugin. And here you will see that 240 plus free pre-built professional templates. So you can use these free templates to create the professional slider for your website. Now let me show you the pricing of this plugin. The pro version of this plugin will cost you $29 per year and you can use it for one website. You will get all free features as well as premium templates, premium animations, premium slide transition, parallax effect, and all these features are available in the pro version. The next option is $79 per year. That is for the 3 websites, and for 10 websites it will cost you $189 per year. So in this video, we will cover only the free version of the plugin. So let's see how we can create a slider in a WordPress website using the free Depicter plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website and now I'm going to install the free WordPress Slider plugin. So let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Here search for Depicter. So the name of the plugin is Depicter. And this is the plugin Slider and Carousel Slider by Depicter. Click on install now. Here you can see that it has been installed on more than 90,000 WordPress websites. Click on activate plugin. Alright, so the plugin is installed and it is activated. In the bottom left hand corner, you will see the option Depicter. Click on it and it will go to the dashboard of the Depicter plugin. Now here you will see different options: start new project, slider, AI slider, hero section, post slider, WooCommerce product slider, and carousel. Here you will see different templates. You can use templates for the slider, carousel, and hero sections. If I click on slider, you will see all the templates that are available. Some of these templates are not available for the free version. If I go to slider, you will see all slider, business slider, YouTube slider, shop slider, WooCommerce sliders. Below that we have carousel. You will see all these carousels, testimonial carousel, shop carousel. If you want to see how does this work, you can simply click on preview and it will show you the preview of this particular template. Now here you will see this template is available for the pro version only. This one is for the free. Click on preview and you will see the testimonial carousel free template. Below that we have shop carousel. This is only for the pro. Logo carousel is also for the pro version. If I go to hero section, you will see this one is free. So click on preview. This is how the hero section will look. Hero section is mostly used on the home page of the website at the top section. So you will see some free templates. This is for the fashion YouTube template. Alright, so these are the pre-designed templates. If you want to create a slider from the scratch, you can create a slider from the scratch. You will see the option here, create a blank. If you click on it, you will see slider, AI slider, product slider, post slider, pop-up, notification bar, and hero section. Let's go to home, and here again you will see different options. This is AI edit slider, so you can create a slider using AI. If I click on it, it will give you an information how to create a slider using AI technology. However, this is not available for the free version. You will see if I click on start, it will ask you to go for the pro version of this plugin. So the AI edit slider is available only for the pro version. Here in the left hand panel, you will see settings. Let's click on settings, and these are the basic settings of this plugin. So there is nothing much in the settings. Let's go back to the dashboard, and we will start creating a slider using one of the free templates. So instead of creating a slider from the scratch, I'll prefer to go with a pre-designed template. So let's click on templates and go to sliders. I'll use one of the sliders. Let's see, this one is for the Christmas shop. Click on preview, and this is how the slider will look. You will see 3 different slides are available here. The first one, second one, and the third one. These are the business sliders. Click on preview. All right, so this one also looks good. So we will create 2 different sliders using templates. Let's try this one for the shop. Click on import. So in order to use these templates, first we need to import the template. So click on import. So now it is importing the slider content, and this is how the slider will look. In the left hand sidebar, you will see all the controls or the settings of the slides, and in the right hand side you will see the customization settings for the particular element on the slide. So this is the first slide. You will see the number of slides here. First, if I go to second, you will see the second slide and the third slide. So we will start with the first one. Now this is the background color. If I click on it, you can see the settings for the background color. Here you can change the color. Let's use this one, and you will see the change in the color here. So you can change the background color. If you want, you can also use images for the backgrounds. In the left hand panel, you will see the slides is selected, and you have an option to select stock photos, or you can upload your own photos. So you can select my photos, and from here you can upload a photo or an image. Right, so I'm going to use one of the stock photo. Again, here you will see different options: business and work, texture and patterns, background, shopping. So if I go to shopping, you will see some images are there. However, some of these images are available only for the pro version. If I go to texture and pattern, you will see the textures and patterns. If you want to use it, you can simply drag it and drop it here. So it is now using the background texture image. Let's undo this one. If you want, you can also search for the image. Let's search for Christmas, and you will see images regarding Christmas. So you can use one of these images. Let's try this one. Drag it and drop it, and you will see the image is used as the background image. Let's undo this one. So I'm not going to use any background image. We have changed the color for the background. Now let's see, we have some titles here. This is the title. Again, this is the content. This is the button, and this is the content again. Here we have one image, the second image, and this is one of the products. These are some icons. This is an image. So let's start customizing the content. Special offers for Christmas. If you want to customize it, you can simply double click on it, and you can add your own content there. Now here on these words, we have some images added. Let's see, this is the image. You will see this is a customized image showing a snowfall. So this image is added on this content, on this word. This is Christmas gift content. If you want to increase the size, you can increase the size. Now when you select one of these content or element, you will see the settings for that element in the right hand side. This is the position. Again, you can change the position. In this case, you need to change the position of all these elements. We have some images on the content, so you need to change the position of the images also. Now I have selected this one, and here you will see the size of the text, so I'm going to increase the size. You can also change the color from here. Let's use this one. Let's change the size again. Here you will see the width. You can change the width of the font or the text, extra light, or regular font. The size, the tag is P. You can also change it to H1, H2. This is the font face. You can change the font face also, and alignment. So you need to play with the settings of each element, and you can customize the setting for each element. Here you will see the background color for that particular text. You can also use the background color. However, I'm not going to use it. Just undo this one. If you want, you can add border, text shadow. You will see the text shadow here, box shadow filter, and background blur. The next option is options here. This is the name for that particular element. You can change it. Responsive size is enabled and show on all slides. If you want to link this particular content or the text to any page, you can add the page there. So if someone clicks on it, it will go to that particular URL. Below that, we have some custom class that you can add. Hover, these are the hover settings. If you move the cursor on that particular text or the content, you can change the settings for the hover. Next is animation. These are the animation settings for this particular content. So right now it shows move, direction, left, movement 100. You can also change the animation. Here you will see the option change. So these are the settings for the animation. You can select one of these animations, animation in and animation out. Then we have actions. So you can add different actions: show, hide, slide control, scroll to, go to slide, video playback, or close slider. If I want to make changes to the second content, I can simply select that one, and from here I can change it. This is a content again. You can simply double click on it, go to design, and change the size or any other element or the style settings of this particular content. Let's make it 20 pixel. This is the button. Let's change the position of the button. This is the text again. Change the position of the text. All right, now this is one of the images. If you want to change it, you can change this image. So right now it is image from the template. You can also change, or you can upload one of your images from here. You can use the stock image, or you can use your own image. You can upload the image. Now let's see how we can change the image. I'm going to use one of these images. So you simply need to drag it and move it over this particular image and drop it. So this image is going to be changed. Here we have second image. Let's go to stock photos and let's try using one of these stock photos. So we have search for the Christmas. So I'm going to use this one. And for this small photo, this is for this small photo. When you move the cursor, it will highlight that particular image. When it is highlighted, you can drop the image and it is going to change it. Here we have a shape. You can change the settings of the shape. I have selected the shape, and here you will see the color settings. Change it, and this is how it is going to change the color. All right, let's keep it. This is the image. You can change it. This is the content again. These are very small content. All right, so this is about the first slide. Let's go to the next slide, the second slide, and we have content on the second slide. So again, you can change the content. You just need to select that particular element and change the content. Christmas gift. So I'm going to change it. Change the size. So this is how you can change the content. Again, you can change the image. Let's use one of the texture background, or you can search for the background. Christmas. Let's search for the background here. Let's use this one. This is available for the free one, so you can drag it when you move the image, it will show. Let's drop it, and you will see that the background image is changed. Let's go to the third slide now. If you want to make changes, you can make changes. You can add your own content. You can delete the content from here, right? So we have got 3 different slides here. Now let's see how does this look on the mobile devices. This is fully responsive. The template should work on the mobile device also. Click on mobile option here, and this is how it will look on the mobile device. So this is perfectly designed for the mobile device also. This is the third slide, this is the second slide, and this is the first slide. So we made changes to this content here, so that's why it is not looking properly. So we can customize it. You can change the settings again. Good. You can change the position here. Alright, so this is how it will look on the mobile devices. Change it to tablet, and this is how it will look on the tablet. Let's change the settings for the tablet for this particular content, because we made changes to this content here. So you can customize the slider for different devices. So in the left hand panel we have stock photos. Below that we have text. If you want to add text, you can simply drag it and drop it here, and after that you can customize it. So I'm going to delete it. Under text we have heading, subheading, and paragraph. We also have some pre-designed styles for the text, so you can use the pre-designed style from here. We have videos. From here you can add the videos. Below that we have shapes. Some shapes are available for the free plugin, and some of them are only for the pro. If you want to use the shape, you can simply drag it and drop it here, and from here you can change the color and other style settings of the shape. You see, I want to add animation, so you can go to animation for this shape. This is for the move in from the top or from the down, left. You will see the changes here. This is how it will work. And for the move out, let's use this one. So there are many different animations available for the free version also. So we have added one shape. Below that we have buttons. You can drag it and drop it. We already have one button here. So similarly you can drag and drop the button here and change the color settings for the button. All right, below that we have controls. Right now this control is used. You will see the right and left arrow, and here we have points or the bullets. So if you want to customize it, you can simply select it, and from here you can change the color settings of the navigation arrows and the bullets. Below that we have elements. These are the pro elements. Let's go back. At the top you have options. These are the general options for this particular slide. Under general options you will see the name of the slide. You can change the name of the slide. This is the slug. You can change it. The slider layout, again the slider content width. So from here you can change the entire slider style settings. This is for the general. Then we have navigation. These are the navigation options. Loop navigation, so it is going to loop all the slides. Slide transition, right now it is set to 3D and 2D transforming, plane fade, horizontal. So you will see different options here. Loading option, these are the loading options. Lazy load type, advanced settings. If you want to use any custom CSS, you can use it here, and callbacks. Let's go to slides again. Now let's see how does this work. Click on preview, and this is how the slide will look. You will see that we have added one shape that is also working. If I go to mobile device, this is how it will look on the mobile device. We need to customize this because we change the size of this particular content. All right, let's see how we can use it. Let's click on publish. We are going to publish this one, and this is the short code. So I'm going to copy the short code and click on publish now. All right, so it is published. Now let's go to WordPress dashboard and I'll go to one of the pages here. I have one sample page. Let's open it. On this page, I'll use the default Gutenberg. So here I'm going to search for Depicter. You will see it here. Drag it and drop it here. And from here I can select the slide. So the name of the slide is Christmas Shop 3. So I'm going to select it and update it. Click on View Page and you will see the slider on the page. So this is a pre-designed template that we are using. So instead of creating a slider from the scratch, you can definitely start using the template and you can customize the template. That will save a lot of your time. So if you're using any other third-party page builder such as Elementor or WP Bakery, you just need to search for the shortcode element and use the shortcode to show the slider on any page of your website. Let's go back. Let's go back to WordPress. And you will see your slider here. In future, if you want to edit, you can simply click on it and edit it. If you want to delete, you can delete, duplicate, export, or rename. Let's try creating another slider here. Let's go to template and we will create one YouTube slider. So let's use one of the free template here. So this is the free template. Let's import it. All right, so the slider is imported. You will see this is the layout of the slider. We have 1, 2, and 3 different slides here. Again, you can customize it. You can use your own videos. If I click on this one, you will see the option to edit the video. Here you can add the URL of your video. This is the URL. So you can customize it. You can add your own URL. This is the image. You can change this image and add your own website image. This is button. This is content. And these are the settings: autoplay, pause on slide changes, mute video, enable loop playback, go to next slide at the end. So this is how it works. You can enable the autoplay for the first slide YouTube video. Let's see how does this work on the mobile device. This is how it will look on the mobile device. All right, let's publish it. All right, let's go back to sample page and go to edit page again. Now one more thing, let's see how does this look on the mobile device. This is the first slide and you will see it is working properly on the mobile devices. Now let's use another slide. Let's search for Depicter again and select the second slide. All right, so I guess we need to refresh this one. Let's update it and refresh it. Select the Depicter and this is the second slider. Update it and refresh the page. And you will see the second slider here. This is the YouTube video. And here you will see the controls. This is the second slide and this is the third slide. All right, so it will be very easy to customize the pre-designed template. Let's close this one, back to WordPress videos. And if you want to create a slider from the scratch, you can click on it, go to slider. And these are the basic settings. You can change the name of the slider here. And these are the layouts. I have selected the first one, click on create slider. And you will see the dashboard to create the slider from the scratch. Again, you can go to texture and use this as a background image. You can add content just like this, or you can add shape, change the color of the shape. You can also change the animation for the shape, change the color for the content. All right, so you can see the changes here. So it is easy to create a slider from the scratch also, but you need to play with the settings a lot. So instead of creating a slider from the scratch, I'll prefer to create a slider from the template. So this is how you can use this free plugin to create a slider in any WordPress website. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.